Hey, what's going on, guys? Here we're on day number 2, around noon. Gonna wrap up this job here. We did a driveway expansion. No walls, but just retaining, graded out the side area yard, and did the driveway expansion and the shed base. But I'll flip it here so you can hear what that noise is going on. Show you guys what's going on through here. So there's all the base. We excavated out 70 yards of gravel, 70 yards of topsoil, and then we installed 66 tons of CA6. So it's all prepped, ready to go for the asphalt. They're gonna mud jack the sidewalk, so that's gonna be leveled out soon. Down there it has to raise up like 2 inches, so it'll be right where it needs to be for the asphalt. And then there's the side area and then the shed base in there. So everything was pretty much looking right as it should. And now the guys are finishing up the whole area, messing around with each other, getting each other wet, and washing down the driveway and using a power broom to clean the driveway. So thanks for watching. Have a good day.